Good morning to all of you. Myself Gautam Kumar Mishra of Gyan Niketan school. I am going to teach here mathematics of class 6. Here mainly I am going to teach you about the estimation. This is a estimation. It contains rounding of the numbers, rounding of to the nearest 10, rounding of to the nearest 100 and rounding off to nearest 1000. Mainly we will read about this. Now rounding of nearest 10. Suppose let us take three numbers I have taken over here. 564, 565 and 560, 681. Now if you see very carefully this number line, this side minus infinity and this side plus infinity. If you, this thing I have given means from 0 to 560, very big length is there. This length we know it, that's why I have given here key. Now suppose this is 560 and this is 570. In between 560 and 570, at the middle it falls 565. At the middle of 560 and 570, at the middle it falls 565. But you have to see 564 nearest to 10. You have to change this number 564 nearest 10. Now very easily if you see very carefully in the number line, 564 is nearest to 560, not nearest to 570. So the nearest of 564 is 560. Now 565, as it is in the middle, we will every time we will take the middle of the between these two tens, the middle nearest 10 of the middle number must be ahead of this number. That is nearest 10 of 565 is 570. Next it comes 581. Now if you see 570, this is 580, and this 580, this will be 500, this will be 581, this will be 581. This is 581 if you see very carefully. Now this is 580 and 590, in between the 581 falls. Therefore, you see in 581 just near to 580. So nearest 10 of 581 is 580. So what we are seeing? We are seeing when we are going to rounding of the given number nearest 10, we are making the unit digit 0. And we are giving all the digits as usual when we are seeing the unit digit is less than 5. When the unit digit is less than 5, then the unit digit we are making 0 and we are giving other digits as usual. Now if the unit digit is 5 or greater than 5, suppose this is 565 and if it is suppose 567. Now nearest 10 of 567 is what? It is 570 because 567 this is 7 which is greater than 5. Now we are adding 1 to the 10 place digit. To the 10 place digit we are adding 1. To the 10 plus digit we are adding 1. So it will come 5, 7 and you make the unit digit 0. In the same way, if we go to round of the nearest 100, suppose let us take some numbers I have taken 342, 365, 350, 475, 434. Now draw the number line and give a key from 0 to 300 because it starts from 300 take the nearest 100, 300 and it is suppose 400, this point. And in between these 2 points, a middle point is there. It marked as 350. Now 342 falls just left of 350. So what we are seeing? We are seeing this 342 is nearest 100 is 300, not the 400. In the same way, if you see in between 400 and 500, you are seeing that this is the 450, the nearest 100 of 450 must be 500, and this 434, nearest 100 is 400. Now from this, what we are saying? We are saying if the 10 plus digit 5 or greater than 5, if the 10 plus digit is less than 5, then we are making the unit digit and the 10 plus digit 0 and we are getting the nearest 100. But the unit digit, suppose the unit digit, suppose 475, this is 470. If the unit digit 10 plus digit is greater than 5, like here it is 7. 7 is greater than 5, so we will make this 1 will make 1 add to the 100 plus digit and make the other digit 0. So it will come 4 plus 1 5 and these 2 digits will become 0, so 500. In the number line, from the number line we can understand very well. Now rounding up to the nearest 1000. Now we have taken here 1652, 1500, 1880. Now if you draw the number line, this is 0.0 we have marked, this is 1000, 1500 and this is 2000. We have taken, we want to, the nearest 1000 of 100, 500, if the 100 plus digit, if we see 5 or more than 5, then what we are doing? We are adding 1000 plus digit, we are adding 1 with the, to the 1000 plus digit, 1 plus 1 it will come 2 and all the digits, 100 plus digit, 10 plus digit and the unit plus digit we are making 0. So the nearest 1000 of 1500 it will be 2000. Now let us see the example another number 1880. It is nearest, its nearest 1000 is 2000. What we are doing? We are adding 1 to the 1000 plus digit, 1 plus 1 2, as the 100 plus digit is more than 5, it is 8. That's why we are making all these turn 0 and we are adding 1 to the 1000 plus digit, we are getting the nearest 1000 of the given number. Now estimated sum of this number. Now estimated sum 356 plus 572, 572 and 572 and 356. The nearest we will make the sum to nearest 10. Now the nearest 10 of 356 360 and nearest 10 of 572 it is 580. And if you do addition of this number you will get the estimated sum of the given numbers to the nearest 10. Now nearest 10 to nearest estimated sum to nearest 100. Suppose we are going to do the addition of this number to nearest 100. Now as it is 56, 10 plus digit is 5. So we will make this 0 and this 0, unit plus and 10 plus digit will be 0. And as it is 5, we will add 1 with the 100 plus digit. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 400 will be the estimated number of nearest to 100, 356, nearest 100, 400. In the same way, the nearest 100 of 572 it is 600, and if you do, it will get that 100, that means 1000. Now estimated sum of nearest 1000 is estimated, this is 5600 670 and 4891. As it is, this 670, it is more than 500. So we will make this 1 add to the 1000 place digit and we will make this all digit 0. So it will be 6000 and 4891, it will be 5000 in the same way. So it will be 11,000 is the sum. Now let us come here. Estimated product. First number by making first number upward and second number, थोड़ा zoom कर दीजिएगा. First number upward and second number downward. Estimated product of first number making the first number upward and second number downward. Now this is 561. This first number to be made upward. So it will be 600 and 74 downward means it will be 70. As it is a 2-digit number, we will make it to the nearest 10. And as it is 3 plus digits number, so we will make it nearest 100. So it will become 600, it will become 700, and if you do the product, we will get 42,000. Now the reverse. First number downward and second number upward. First number downward, suppose 439 and 651. If you do the product, suppose make downward, first number to be made downward. So 439, the nearest 100 is 400 and 651 it to be made upward, it will be 700. Now you do the product, you will get 28,000. That means you need 10, 100,000, 10,000 and lakhs, 2,80,000 will be the result. Now estimated quotient, 372 is divided by 59. First you estimate the number, 372, as it is of 3-digit number, it will be made 400. Nearest 100 is 400 and its nearest 10 is 60. Now if you do the product, this is 40 divided by 6, 20 divided by 3, it means 6.666, it will be continuous. Therefore approximate value it is 7. So estimated quotient of these two numbers is 7. Thank you. That's all for